Well, today is predicted to be the hottest day of the year so far, so we're trying to get out of here early, but things aren't working out as planned. That's always the way it is. But anyway, there's good news and bad news. The good news is the baby had his first great day down at Disney World. Made me sleep like a baby tonight. And the bad news is I have to be back early again. We have people coming over, friends we haven't seen in a long time. So the answer to all of that is always get out early. Now the next part of this renovation is going to be, what is this happening here? Goofy, our pet outdoor cat here. The next part of this restoration is going to be, we're looking for a steel brake line. Not a kit, but Luciano did find some ones he's investigating right now, and that's one of the next upgrades for this. A lot of little upgrades left to do on this.
To a kid who's actually
How much you get for it?
Coach up at Lime Rock, 2,500.
Look at this! Wow, nice.
But I was looking to get the front end off of that 1,000.
You want an R6 front end for it?
Pardon me?
You're looking for an R6 front end?
Yeah, because it bolts in. Yeah, not for this
okay.
one. I got another one just like it that I'm building.
Oh, okay. Oh, that's a nice
This is like my ride to work bike. I'll show you the one I'm working on. All you gotta do is machine a spacer and you can fit that front end on. This front end, these 35mm forks are too flimsy.
But you don't see a lot. I like to have a bike that you don't, everywhere you go, you don't see 15 of them.
Well, yeah,
this is cool.
I have 6 or 7 of these in various stages of repair. I got a...
But it's always cool to have a bike that you don't see that many of. I just, when you pull in and the guy next to you has the same bike, I don't know. So the time you spent in the Mexican prison, how did that work out? Were the food was any good, or?
Food was good.
It was just like Perry's, no different. And how are the women? That's the main thing.
Beautiful.
Beautiful.
Men were pretty too. So
well, hey, you got a Ducati.
yeah, exactly. You know how that goes.
The world's at your fingertips.
But they're great little names.
You let Bob pass you? Wow.
Yeah, he passes me all the time.
You should put an end to that right away.
He
passes me all the time.
Yeah, well, he's...
I might get another 1,000 down that.
I went to.
That's the cleanest I've ever seen it.
Camera's coming out.
That's right.
I'm sorry for you, Michelle. And track days too, and it's still running.
Wow, that's pretty good.
This is unbelievable.
You got another ride or two left on those tires too. Wow.
Not after today.
Not after today.
Today I gotta go clean the Jeep.
Okay.
I gotta sell it this week.
Oh,
You getting a new one?
And buy my old man's old pickup truck. Yeah.
You're trading a Ducati for a pickup truck.
Nah, my Jeep. I gotta change the oil on this thing.
There we go. Now you got a real.
2012, yeah.
Who said Evil Knievel retired?
Yeah, better show.
Who said they shut the racetrack down?
Yeah.
Right.
197? Okay. Yeah, that way too. You and who? You're gonna go down there first. Yes.
Yeah, this is why are you riding, sir? Ah, 848? Yeah, that's telephone. Works over there. Hablas español, no? Yeah, almost the same. But the GS still have the forks and the telephone. With this one, you only have the telephone. Only telephone. Oh. I had a recall from BMW and they changed the transmission and the opposite.
So, where are we going? To Mexico City with Jose, or?
No way. Jose's going to friggin' Pennsylvania. I'm going back to Jersey.
The bike does look good for a Ducati with 40,000 miles.
I'm gonna go home. If I have time today, I'll change the oil. Okay.
Where's the posse? Oh, these guys, they talk on the helmets. They talk.
Down at me. I'm coming up on him. I'm looking to break him. I'm beeping the horn.
Oh my God! Oh my God!
The headlight must have had him like, what they do? They locked up on him. And he's sitting on the bike, he was over my head like,
You want me to move that?
so tired of riding in the house. Yeah, that's why I've been all the way up and stuff that
Look at where the key is on that bike.
I'll go back for a day.
I love it when a man takes good care of his equipment. Look at that, in between the fins is even clean. Wow.
I just drove it from the dealership.
It's beautiful. Who cares? Let them clean it. The wheels are clean. Do a chain check on that. Is there any chain lube on that belt?
No, it's belt lube. We put dressing on there.
He doesn't know what he's been had. That's actually beautiful. Nice and clean. Oh my God. Look at the wheels are clean.
Woo!
I did the stage one on it, just the tuner and inside. And this one matches perfect, doesn't it?
Is that a stock air cleaner? Boy, that's a nice clean machine. I bet Pokey be eating his heart out there. But if he owned it a week later, it'd be look like he grew up in Patterson or something. So I left the key on, apparently. The battery went dead, and Pokey saved the day.
What did I do? I did nothing.
You had the wire cutters.
No,
Dale had the wire.
Wire
Because I had the seat safety wired on. I couldn't get the safety wire off. Oh. But the booster started the bike right up without even hitting the boost.
Could it have been any better today? Look at this weather. Just had a great ride. And Karen has the lunch made out on a porch. I'm ready, believe me. And the baby is having a great time in Florida. So anyway, hope you enjoyed the video and thanks for watching.